Today we talk about how can you change your name on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go down, click here on library down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to library. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on your name. So you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click on edit profile. You click here on name. Then here can you change your name here. Click on save. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.